Hello everyone, with another review for our EA, forex EA, swing VIP EA. So basically, and as usual, I will just give you a small brief about last week. Last week was bad week. We didn't lose anything actually, but we have a huge drawdown. Let me start basically with the Excel sheet which I have, which I am tracking the performance for this EA. So this is our 9th week, and we can see we ended up with around almost $80 with the profit. However, comparing this profit to the rest of the week, it is compared like low one. Like see here, it is 100, 100, 190. Here it is the same almost. Here more, and here is the less. And taking in consideration that I have raised the lot size. So before I was using 0.04, I am now almost using 0.05 for all of my pairs. Being that said, also we can see that the closed orders here, we can see like only 21 orders are closed, while before like the minimum orders which we had like almost here like 36, because this one is not counted as a first week because it was only for 2 days, but these are full weeks. Let me just here, I didn't update this formula here. Let me just update it so we can check the average also for all the weeks together. So basically, when it comes to the average, we can see that, let me just finish this one. Okay. So the average for all the weeks we can see is like 41 trades. So now we are below the average. Plus, when it comes to the closed win, we can see that we have around 14 closed win from 21, which makes around 66% win ratios. Again, it is less than the average rate, which is 70%. And when it comes to the average profit per week, now I am making in the average 120. But don't rely on this, because this is not giving you the accurate number, because I am always increasing the principal of my account, the balance. So the more balance I have, the more like net money I'm getting, and also the more lots I am using, the more money I will get. So don't consider this, but consider this one actually, the win rate, which is 70%. Another thing to talk about why it was bad week for us is the huge drawdown. We can see the drawdown here, guys. Like last week it's finished with 475, and again this week it is almost the double. Now we have 872. Please consider that there is almost 70 is not about this system. It is just all stupid trade I made. It's just open. So we are talking about 800 here, and here 400. So you can see here from this graph that the win is almost $80, and the loss, floating loss, it's not loss yet, 800, almost 800, which is big loss actually. Okay, when we check the total profit loss for me here, let me just update the formula again. So we can see that I have made from this EA almost $1,067, and being in the consideration that the EA price was almost 100, so yeah, I made profit almost $1,000. So but if I close all the trades here, I will lose again 872. So I am in profit with only $200 till now. So being that said, I think that we should not raise the lot amount, because the drawdown is really going bigger. So they are saying that for each 500 you can trade 0.01. I would suggest to make it actually for each 1000 in your balance to trade with 0.01. So now I almost have $3,700. So I think I will reduce the lot size next week, because it's really really tough. Like when you see your account balance is going more than $1,000 minus, oh, that's really bad. Let us go to our one myfxbook account, and we can see the huge drawdown here. You see, guys, like it was really bad, and still we are in profit. The account is going higher. This week we have earned 2.16 in profit, which is $79, as we have said, and on this month it's almost 7.5% from our initial balance as a profit we have gone for that. Let's check here. Like, see, these guys are the open trade which I am having now. Most of them are basically in EURUSD and CADCHF. And you can see, for example, here, let me just sort it by the net, or here by this one. Okay, so these trades are in profit. They are not closed yet, but yet they are not covering the whole loss here. And when it comes to the losing one here, let us check EURUSD. Like most of them EURUSD. Let me just sort by the symbol here, and you can see. Let's see, USD CAD, NZY CAD. There is no problem here. Okay, from here we can start with here. All of these trades are EURUSD, and all of them are in loss. All of them are in loss. Again, when we go to the CAD-CHF, let us check here. All of them are again in loss. Most of the losses are from here, unfortunately. So till now, okay, the performance went down, but still we are in profit. So okay, would I advise you to get this EA? Yes, but you have to really take care of your drawdown thing. See here, from our drawdown we are almost 26. Like my configuration is for 30%, so when it will reach 30% it will close all the trade on loss, but I didn't reach that. I am on 26, so that is okay. And here, let me check here, it was 28. Okay, so it wasn't bad as before. Yeah, this is actually for our EA. Now if you'd like to check, let us check another account for this EA, for people who are using this EA, so we can check how it's going with them. So this is their account. Okay, again we have something new here. So this is their account, the company account scenery, and we can see here the tracking record not verified. So basically it was working, and now something happened. I don't know what they have done, so it is not tracking now, and the last updated 14 hours ago. Okay, not bad, but still, like when I see this, I'm getting a little bit why is that? Like it happened to them before one time, and they fixed it, and now it seems again it's just stopped. Let us check their account actually. So for this week they are in 1%. See, like in my account I am 2.6, but in their account it is 1%, which means that they are not using the whole lot size which they are saying. So for example, now on their balance they have 24k. So if we go 24k, 1 2 3, and we just divide it for 500, we can see that they have to enter with such a lot, man. They have to enter like this. So they have to enter like with a lot of 0.48. But let us check their actual closed trade and see. They have, this is private, the open trade for them. So let us check the history one, the closed one. So this is basically yesterday. Today is 17, right? Yes. So basically all of these are closed yesterday, and we can see their lots 0.2, 0.1, 1, 1, 15, 20. So they are not using the same thing which they are recommending. They are recommending to have 0.01 for each 500. However, they are not doing this considering the balance which they have here. So yeah, this is also because I think because they know that they will have huge drawdowns, so they are not risking it, and they are just making it with these lot sizes. And again, their weekly profit, like the monthly profit actually here is around 2.7. For me it is like, let's see my account. In my account, it is 7.55. Okay, it is like more, like winning more, but the risk is higher because the drawdown thing and the lot size thing. So based on that, I think I will reduce the lot size for mine, so I will be in the safe zone. Let us check another account for this EA and see how it will goes. So swing VIP, let us check this one. So this one here, again, it is verified, working, and it is real account, we can see. And let us see how it goes. So this week it is almost, yeah, less than me again, and how, like 107. So they should trade with 0.03. Let us check the history here. They are trading with zeros. Okay, see, again, these guys are in good because they are not using 0.0. And they are, by the way, if you can see, they are using only NZ CAD, New Zealand CAD. They are not using any other pairs with this EA, seems to. Let me check their account here. Oh no, actually they have also, but still, which is weird. Okay, let me check again and again. No, they are using actually. So yeah, so long story short, it is good EA, but you have to have a good, let me say, amount in your account so you don't risk it, because it has a really high drawdown. And let me show you something. This week they announced that they opened the Telegram channel, and they are posting some updates here, as you can see. Like, they're putting some updates, some polls, and some like testimonials, and yeah. And they have said that they have reached 6,000 order for their EA, and they are going to provide a surprise for the members. I don't know what is that surprise, but we will see. Another thing, they have said that they sent an email saying that Swing VIP is not their best EA, that their best EA is the MGPRO. So actually I didn't like that email because I didn't like, just a second here, I didn't like that email, because if it is not the best, why you sold it to me? Anyway, it is working. So they are saying that their best EA is this one. Let me show you this one, MGPRO EA. So I decided to try this EA also. So I opened another new real account with $500, and I installed this indicator for that new account, and we will see. By the way, it costs now 288, but if you use my coupon, which I will put it in the discount in the description, you will get 10% discount for that. You can use it, guys, if you would like to try this one. So yeah, I will try this account, and I will post another videos for this EA beside the swing. Let us see how it will goes. What else? What else for that? I guess that's all for this week. I will keep you tuned, and let's see how it will goes. Thank you very much, and take care.